Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone. This is the second lesson on preposition of place. Earlier I had another video. I talked about prepositions of place, but that was only at, in, and on. And this video is, let's say, continue of the previous one, and we're going to talk about these prepositions a bit more. Alright, so let's move on. The other preposition that we have is to. We use to for places when we have a movement towards those places. Let me explain. When I have the verb go, come, return, walk. Go, walk, return, walk. When I have these verbs, any sort of them, I mean simple, tense, past, with ing, with ed, with whatever. With will, okay, so when I say go, I mean go and went and goes and will go and gone, any type, anything from this family. Between this verb and the place I need to, okay? So he goes to hospital, I go to library, she has gone to park, or anything like this. Okay, so park, hospital, not home. Park, hospital, any place, and go, you need to in between. So when I have go, come, walk, and return, and on the other side I have a place like hospital, park, round street, or whatever, then I have to in between them. Go to hospital, come to hospital, return to hospital, walk to hospital, whatever. Alright, whatever is on the side. Except home, okay? So this is not for home. I say, I go to hospital, I come to hospital, I walk to hospital, I return to hospital, but I'd say, I came home, not to. I came home, I went home, I returned home, I walked home. So home doesn't need any preposition before it, but the other ones, any other place after the verb go, went, go, come, and these things, we need to. Alright, now let's talk about arrive in and arrive at. Okay, the verb arrive comes with in and also with at. Arrive in, arrive at. Arrive in is for big places, okay? Arrive in places like what? Like countries and like cities. Alright, so I say they arrived in Brazil at this time. They arrived in, because I'm talking about Brazil, okay? So for countries and cities we use in, okay? But smaller places we will use at. We arrive at the airport at 9 o'clock, at the airport, okay? At the town hall, at the concert, at whatever, alright? They arrived at the meeting, they arrived at the whatever the place is. In for country and cities, at for smaller places, okay? So that is the clue. Now let's talk about more prepositions. For this part I'm going to get help from two friends. Here they are, a mug and a box, alright? Let's talk about the position, how they get, how they are positioned. Okay, now these two are close to each other, they're not far. So I can say the mug is next to, okay, the mug is next to the box. So it means close. Next to, so can be used. So you're talking about a bank. You say you're giving a friend directions and say, oh, the bank is next to or beside. The bank is next to or beside a post office. So you are giving directions that way. So next to or beside means neighboring each other, not far, close to each other. That's one of the prepositions that we use. The other thing is, this is the box, and here I've got the mug. Now the mug is on the box, and the box is under the mug. So two more prepositions. Now, if I have these two on left and right, then I say this is to the left of the mug and this is to the right of the box. Okay, so to the right of, to the left of also are two more prepositions that you might have heard. So you can give directions that way as well. What else? This is above the box. The mug is above the box. In this case, it's not on it, okay? If you look, you might have a light, a lamp, above your table, okay? You might have one on your table. So if your lamp stands on your table, then you say this is on it, but the one that is up over there is not on your table, is over the table. Okay, so there is a space. There is space between these two. Like let's say the clouds in the sky. They are over the city. Okay, they are not on the city. They are over the city. And when I say this is above the box, the mug is above the box. This is below. Okay, okay. This is not on there. We can. In this case, box is on the, but here is below. Okay, below. Below is a better position in this case. The other thing is, when I have two objects standing like this, let's say in a shelf, then I say the mug is in front of the box. Okay, this is in front of the box, or the box is behind the mug. So the one that is closer to you is actually in front. Okay, imagine I am the wall. Okay, then if this is against the wall. Oh, against, I said against. So if this is against the wall, this one is in front, okay? This one is in front, and this is behind. This one is behind the mug, and this mug is in front of this box. Imagine I've got, we're talking about a road, a river, something like this. One building is on one side and the other building is on the other side, then I say box is opposite the mug, okay? It means facing each other on two sides, not neighboring each other. They are facing each other. They are positioned in two different sides of the road, two different sides of the river. So this was a list of some of the prepositions. Of course, we've got much more. But yeah, these were, let's say, the main ones, the ones that are very common, very commonly used. So if you've got questions about the ones that I didn't mention, or the ones that I mentioned but you've got questions about them, any other questions, just ask me. Comment it below this video and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.